In this video, I'll show you how to see old stories on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. If you have posted a couple of stories here on Facebook and you love to see your old stories here on Facebook, what you're going to do right now, head over to your Facebook account, right? Click on this on your account. Once you click on it, wait for it to open up. Once it has opened up, click on the settings and privacy, right? Click on this activity log, right? Once it has opened up, you're gonna scroll down. You're gonna just click on this your Facebook activity right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're gonna see everything you need to see, right? You're gonna see the stories here. Click on it. You're gonna see your stories, your stories activity. So if you have posted a couple of stories here on Facebook, you're gonna see it from this option right here. You can also see this as well, right? So if you click on it, because I've not posted anything about, like, I've not posted story here on my Facebook, I'm not gonna see any story activity, and I'm not gonna see any story as well under this my stories tab. So this is how you can see your old stories on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.